सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरा नाम है विशु और आप देख रहे हो सफ़र ऑन विशु में। मैं वापस आ गया हूँ बुक फेयर में। पूरा खाली पड़ा हुआ है अभी, क्योंकि अभी बज रहे हैं 11 बजे की टाइमिंग है। 1 घंटा जल्दी आ गया भाई, कोई नहीं है। और बुक एक्सप्लोर करने नहीं आया हूँ मैं आज मैं आया हूँ ए साइलेंट वॉइस की जो क्रिएटर है उससे मिलने, क्योंकि वो बुक फेयर में आ रही है आज 17 जनवरी को। तो देखते हैं उससे मिल पाते या नहीं मिल पाते। 11 बजे की टाइमिंग है अभी, तो 1 घंटा पड़ा है, इंतज़ार करते चलो। अभी जो फ़ोटो खींच रहा था जहाँ पे दीवार में खिड़की रहती है, अक्टूबर जंक्शन, आपका बंटी, देर रात तक, लिफाफा। भाई मैंने भी पता करा, वो आर्टिस्ट आएगी 3 बजे। अभी बज रहे हैं 12, तो अभी मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पर। ये रहा भाई 3 बजे योशिती को इमा साइलेंट वॉइस की भाई यहाँ पे आएगी।
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today at Italy World Book Fair. We are starting the session welcoming manga to India, Yoshitoki Oima in conversation and live drawing. Thank you everyone for waiting and coming. I can see so excited and thrilled faces. We are incredibly excited to welcome Yoshitoki Oima sensei, one of Japan's most influential contemporary manga artists. Here with us for the very first time in India. Thank you, Oima-san, and thank you, Sanjay Panda-san, for moderating us today. This session is proudly supported by the Japan Foundation, and we are thrilled to have Oima-san share her creative journey with us today. Oima-san is best known for her emotionally powerful works such as Silent Voice, a deeply moving story about communication, guilt, and redemption. And To Your Eternity, our philosophical and emotional tale exploring human connection and immortality. Her work
I'm so excited to see you all here. Though I feel it's nervous to see so many people, but I look forward to have a great connection with all of you. I know everybody will now tell me that you go side, we want to see her and this drawing. How I wish if I can go like Kushi and go somewhere else. Today in the morning I had a very nice time with Oima-san when she was talking about when she is drawing what she is thinking. It's a very deep spiritualized exercise of doing the drawing. And she also said one very interesting thing, that enjoying is one of the biggest part of it. Sometimes people do it with pressure, the new book has to be released, there is a deadline, there is customers waiting, there is the audience waiting. But in that pressure, it doesn't work. She said that it is the joy. So today morning when I was meeting with some of the fans, I said that the spelling of learning, spelling of learn is L-E-A-R-N. But if you only remove the L, it will be earn, right? But if you earn, you don't learn. But if you learn, you earn. So this is something which I was talking to her. You see, I mean, while sitting at home and doing the drawing in a place where you are with yourself, and sitting in front of thousands of people here, I've got so many people, and doing on your like this, it becomes very difficult for her. So she is feeling very nervous. She said that she has met with so many people like you who are aspiring to be a manga artist, doing some drawing on piece of paper, and then no, I'm not able to do it. And many people give up. What she told me today is that so many people out of whom I see that who are aspiring to become a manga artist, most of them give up in the middle. So if your 100 ball is a success, then the rest 99 is a failure. So she said that keep on drawing and throw papers like this and make a mountain of these papers, and then you get success, and then you draw like this. How motivating all this live drawing for you? Is everybody completely chilled because of this or what? Amazing. How many people can say Gambare? Okay, we say Oima-san Gambare. Every form of art requires a great amount of dedication. For an artist from Gifu, when she started writing, drawing herself, she was alone in a place where she had not even gone to Tokyo. In Gifu prefecture, in a small place she was drawing. From there till becoming a world famous artist like this, sheer dedication and enjoying what you do is something which has brought her here. I just asked her that while doing this drawing in India on the stage, what is going on in your mind? So she's thinking that within how many minutes I need to finish this? This is all good. The Indian fans will wait for you forever. Don't worry. Everybody is all ear and eyes for you today. How many people know the character Fushi? Wow. So it is not only Oima-san is Gambare, but it is also Fushi also Gambare, right? Gambare! Let's say 1, 2, 3. Fushi Gambare! checked with Oima-san that you wanted to come to India many times, and finally it has come true. Why is it that you wanted to come to India? She said that I don't know, but something was calling. So I think we must welcome her. How do we welcome her in India? By saying what? Namaste, konnichiwa, or yokoso, or what?
Swagatam.
Yokoso. Okay. So we go saying yokoso Oima-san. Okay. This time yokoso Oima-san. 1, 2, 3. Yokoso Oima-san. Oima-san, shitsuke shimashita. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oima Sensei also told me that she's really loving this energy, because typically in a crowd in India, many people give a lot of energy to many Japanese people have been together. So on the stage, Japanese people feel that no, I know many people will not say anything, but we have an energetic crowd. Yes, we have. Certainly we have. So Fushi in making right in front of you, right from the artist who created that. It's an historic moment in so many years. I have been working with Japan related work for the last 30 years. For the first time I can see the world famous manga author is here in India. I have never seen any manga author coming to India and doing the live drawing like this. 6 million copies of the first book, and the second book is 7 million copies, and animation movies, 20 different languages. We are very lucky to have Oima-san here. Oima-san, 本当に頑張ってますね。素晴らしいな。感動しちゃいますね。見て感動しますね。We really thank National Book Trust NBT, which understands Japan, and Vikram Kumarji is here giving us all the. This is a great opportunity for us to be here. India and Japan relationship. I tell many times to people that I and J, these English alphabets are next to each other. So we must bring India and Japan as close as they are in the English alphabet. That's how I do run a company called IJ Kakehashi, India Japan Kakehashi. To connect IJK. And you know the cultural bridging between India and Japan, who does this in India? The bridging between India and Japan, the cultural bridging,
Japan
is done by
Foundation.
none other than Japan Foundation, which promoting the Japanese culture. How many people go to Japan Foundation Library? Wow, so many Japan Foundation fans. I see the Instagram page of Japan Foundation. Sato-san is here today. The Japan Foundation Director General is here. I don't know. People may not be knowing, but Sato-san speaks Hindi and English and Japanese. He speaks fluent Hindi. He can sing Hindi songs. Okay. So Japan Foundation also has a celebrity there.これをやってるうちにちょっと編集者にちょっと質問したらっていうふうに言われたんですけども、土屋さんand Yasutomoさん、these are the people who are editors, okay? And editors' work is that whatever is in her mind to put that into the document. どうですか、編集者として考えていることを文字するための流れの中ではどんな経験、楽しい経験、どんな経験ですか？少しなんか編集の具体としての少し、 感想を言っていただければ。
फास्ट तो नहीं बना पाऊंगा मैं, लेकिन मेरे को एक दिन लग जाएगा इतना ही बनाना मेरे को टाइम लगता है। कम से कम 2-3 घंटा। हाँ लेकिन 2-3 कुछ घंटा
こんにちは。リベ、こんにちは。バックトゥヒムや。大今先生の担当をしています週刊少年マガジン編集部の安友と申します。 My name is 安友。週刊マガジン I am doing for 大今さん。不滅のあなたへを大今さんが執筆される中で、担当編集として、一番そばでお仕事をさせていただいているんですけれども、何を喋ったらいいですか？その作品を書いている大今さんについての感想をお伝えしますと、毎週毎週コミックを書くっていうのはものすごく大変なワークで、その中でも大今さんは、話作りにとても熱心で、あととても厳しくて、あとイラスト画面についてもとても厳しい基準を自分の中に持ってる人ですね。だからそうですね、執筆作業に取り掛かってから原稿を上げるまではなかなか寝る間もないぐらい懸命にやっていますね。I am the editor for the To Your Eternity, and it is a very very complex process that within a week the new drawings have to come, new part of the story has to come. And while working with Oima Sensei for this, I feel that she is a very strict person and very very quality conscious person, and typically till the time it comes out I probably don't get time even to sleep. This is how the schedule is for bringing out new. だから、そうですね。だから隣で見てるものとしたらそうですね。大今さんの仕事っていうのは、大今さんが2人いたらちょうどよかったり、1日が48時間あったらちょうどいいなっていうハードワーキングなお仕事だと思います。While seeing Oima-san, I think that probably Oima-san should have been 2 rather than 1. The amount of volume of work she handles, and also I feel that probably there should have been 48 hours in a day rather than 24 hours. 土屋さんはどうですか？
同じく週刊少年マガジン編集部の土屋と申します。よろしくお願いします。こんにちは。
週刊少年マガジン My name is 土屋。
大今さんを担当してもう10年になります。
It is almost last 10 years he is the editor for Oima Sensei.
で、不滅のあなたへを担当していて、で、いつも大今さんにはそうですね、緊張させられる。
So while he is working for the Fumetsu no Imatai, which is To Your Eternity, and every time while working with her, it's a very nervous feeling. It's a very stressful, nervous feeling that she has.
あと1時間で原稿が上がらないと落ちちゃうっていうのが雑誌が発行できない。
So there is timelines when sometimes he works that within another 1 hour if the paper doesn't come from her, the magazine cannot go. Because I know some people of you might be knowing how the manga works is that it comes in a weekly magazine, then it is collated and then the whole manga book which usually that comes out.
だから講談社から大山さんのお家に締め切りの日に行って1ページずつ上がったら持ってって講談社にでそれをこうやってピストンで運んだりとかよくしてましたね。
So every time going to Oima-san's house on the last day, bringing that, please give me that. So that's how it is.
いろんな意味で飽きさせない人だなって。
So, and also I feel that that kind of an experience makes me feel that every time I should continue that I don't give up. Thank you very much. By the way, you are looking very cool today. Nice. Now it's done for you. Guys, this live drawing and this is completed in front of you right now. This certainly needs a 10 times the louder voice from here. Let us say, Oima-san, arigato. One guy, that is the hear it from after going to Japan. No. 1, 2, 3. Oima-san! The morning when I asked this question to her, she said that I have not seen anything other than the fog because last night was fog and today morning was fog. Okay. そうですね。ご自分でまず今日は本当にインドのこの熱意のあるファンたちのために日本からはるばる来ていただきまして本当に感謝しています。ありがとうございます。
こちらこそなんかなかなか行くきっかけとかない中でなんかチキンなんでやっぱ一人とかで行けないんですよね。だからなんか大人たちと一緒に頼れるいい人たちと一緒に来れたことがすごく嬉しいですね。
I was looking forward. I feel that probably I could not have come alone by myself. So that's why probably today, along with Koga-san and the other editors, I could make it possible. So I'm very happy to be here with all of you. インドには来てみたいと思っていらっしゃったと思うんですけども、
はい
本当にそれはなぜインドに来てみたいと思ってたのかということと、そして実際に来られてどう思いますかということをちょっと聞かせていただければ。
インドに来たかったのはもう本当に、こうだからとか言葉として理由があるわけじゃなくてもう日本に散らばってるちょっとしたインドたちがあってそれに触れるたびになんだろうこのミステリアスですごく魅力的なインドってなんだってなっていくうちに行きたいなってなっていったっていうのがあって最近だと映画とかで具体的にやっぱそのインドの方の生活とかあと映画ボリュームとか見て面白そうとか意外と面白いってもう感性一緒なんだなみたいなのが分かってこれはちょっとすごい興味あるぞっていう。
ありがとうございます。She felt that India is something which there was a presence or existence of India in different forums. People know about India, but I think it always made an intriguing her that it's probably a mysterious country to go. So that kind of a feeling she had. And recent days, of course, there was no specific reason why she wanted to come. But now recently, of course, if you see the lot of Bollywood and etc., that probably gave the movies, that gave a peeking eye to how India is, how the life is, through the different scenes of the movie. That made me confident now that probably I should go. So maybe I would say that she was being called to India, and probably fans were waiting. That's why she was coming here. Thank you.
जो भी करवाना है
तो भाई ओई मसान आई थी, बहुत मज़ा आया थी इवेंट में, बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ थी, इतने सारे एनीमे फ़ैन, मेरे को तो पता नहीं था इतने सारे लोग आएंगे। 45-50 मिनट तक इवेंट चला, उसके बाद सिग्नेचर करने का वो था, लोगों की बुक में सिग्नेचर कर रही थी, मेरे को भी करवाना था पर इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ थी मैं करवा नहीं पाया। खैर बुरा तो बहुत लग रहा है पर क्या ही कर सकते हैं। तो बस आज की वीडियो में इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगले सफ़र में।